Yo, it's your boy Nash from Ummiy Unrestricted Production. Welcome back to another video where visual speaks volumes and creativity knows no bounds. Get ready to embark on a wild ride of fun and excitement with us. Yes, I said it. Yo, so today we'll be working on a redesign of a soccer team in my country, Namibia. Yes, and this is Tigers Sports Club, so we're gonna download just to see how it looks, and then we're gonna be working on the redesign. Yes, so let's go. The research. Okay. A little bit of research on the lion for the tiger. I don't know why I said lion, but for the tiger. We had to Google some stuff for the tiger, but as you can see, these are lions. I don't know why I put lions in instead of tiger, instead of tigers. So we're gonna go do some research on the tiger on Pinterest. Let's see what we get. Yes, all of this. Okay, so doing the logo, we are gonna have to keep in mind that the tiger is looking on our left side, so it's not looking right directly at you. It's almost giving some kind of dimension, so we're gonna stick to that. Let's go. The parts where I am quiet is just because I'm thinking. So many work had to go into this. As you can see, we found our tiger. So we tweaked it a little bit. So we tweaked our tiger a little bit to give us that look. As you can see, I didn't go straight for the colors that are on the tiger, on the logo, on the emblem. I actually just stuck to 3 colors, you can see. So yeah, let's go. I'm working on the shield. The shield is actually a bit easy because I already know how I like to lay out my work. Just made it a bit easier for me, just to make sure everything is marked at the right place, so that you get a perfect equal shield. Yeah, and if you guys want to know about the company, you can always leave a like or comment in the section below, and then we can talk about it on the next video. I think I'm gonna work on all the logos for my Premier League. I'm gonna work on all the logos for the Premier League in my country, and this is, as you can see, the second one. As you cannot see, it is the second one though. The first one, like I said, was the black, also not the black, but Orlando Pirates. And then you get this one, Tigers, which is the second one. A fan actually was insisting we work on this one ASAP. But as you can see, we're doing that now. I'm gonna put his bio on the screen, and I hope you guys follow him. He's a cool guy. He's a really cool guy. Anywho, I ended up with this two. I really like them, and then I decided, nah, let's stick to almost keeping it original. Yes, let's stick to keeping it original. So as you can see, this two, and then I remade another one the next day. Yes, I could not sleep. I was thinking about this a lot. Then I remade something like this, something that is close to the actual logo of the club as it stands right now. Yeah, and just tweaked a little bit of things around just to weigh out everything the right way, and here we go. Voila! Hope you guys like this. And like I do in my videos, I'll give you like a snippet on how it looks on a shirt, and also design their shirts. Yeah, so yeah, see it on their shirt then. See it on their shirts, and then you tell me, you leave a like, leave a comment, even if it's a hateful comment, just let me know. Maybe you guys can design a better one if you're from my country and you know the club. Don't forget to share, like, and check out the last video we worked on. Peace. Straight from Ummiy Unrestricted.